gentlemen, great to see you. You look amazing. I'd like to give you a little AlphaM knuckle bump just for being awesome. If you'd reciprocate with one of these, I'd appreciate it. So here's the deal. We talk a lot about being attractive on the AlphaM YouTube channel. Attraction is that je ne sais quoi, something special that makes you just irresistibly sexy. It could be your confidence. It could be the way you carry yourself. Successful, you're kind, you're helpful. There are a lot of things that go into being attractive. You can be attractive without actually having to be handsome, which is awesome. On the flip side, you could be good looking, but not attractive. Like if you're a dick, or if you're a jerk, or if you're a dick. Moral of the story, don't be a dick. But that being said, I want you to be handsome. I want you to be good looking, because when you're good looking, it makes being attractive a little bit easier. Gentlemen, today, I'm going over 6 things that good looking guys never do. For 1,
they never miss an appointment with their barber.
Never, gentlemen. Here's the deal. If you want to be looking as sexy and handsome as possible, you got to make sure you keep that hair looking sharp. What I'd recommend is if your hair is super short, I'd go in every 2 to 3 weeks. Any longer than that, your hair will start to grow out and you will be less handsome. Little AlphaM haircut hack. What I would recommend is before you leave your barber or stylist, make an appointment for your next cut. That way you already have it set, it's in your phone, put a reminder so you always are looking fresh.
And don't forget to tip your barber.
Tip, gentlemen, it's all about tipping. Good-looking guys typically have fresh cuts. They don't miss, they don't skip, because they know that if the hair starts to grow out and get a little bit crazy, they look like savages. Second thing that good-looking guys never do, they never expose their neck fat. Neck fat. Gentlemen, good-looking guys know that you should cover the meat directly underneath your jaw, right? Because here's the thing. When you trim too high or follow your jawline, you're exposing all this meat underneath your chin. Now, if you've got a super chiseled, strong jaw, it's not as big of a problem, but if you got any type of fat, any type of meat down there, it makes it more pronounced. You'll look a little bit chunkier. The hair underneath your neck is there to actually camouflage and hide the fact that you might be holding a few extra lbs in the face. So here's how you figure out where to shave and where not to. Take your finger, stand straight and go like this. Boom! Bang! Anything below your finger, right, you shave. Anything above, meaning this, you leave. Third thing good-looking guys never do is skimp on skincare. When it comes to being good looking, there are a few aspects to being handsome that are like a must-have, and one of those things is nice skin. If you're oily, if you're broken out, if you're ashy, if you're wrinkly, if your face looks dry and dehydrated, not super handsome. But the good news is that by adopting a skincare routine and doing a few specific things during your day, you can have incredible skin. There are 4 things that every single one of you needs to do in order to have handsome, good-looking, incredible skin. They include washing your face twice a day, morning and night. But the trick is not using like a bar soap that is designed for your body, because the skin on your face is thinner, it's more delicate, it's different. And so you need a wash that is designed to actually leave all of the good essential oils and just strip the dirt, the grime, and nastiness that builds up over the day. Speaking of nasty, in order to keep your pores clean, clear, and your face refreshed and hydrated, you also need to exfoliate it twice a week. But the trick is not to overdo it. You don't want to just get a washcloth and just like start scrubbing. No. That's actually damaging your face. Instead, twice a week, what I'd recommend is using a light exfoliating scrub. Hygiene scrub is one of our most popular products. Guys love it because after you use it, your skin feels so incredibly fresh and cool because of the menthol and the exfoliant that we use. It's apricot seeds all ground up. And then you also need to moisturize your face morning and night. In the morning, you need a moisturizer with an SPF of at least 20 to protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays. And then at night, you also need to moisturize. You need to give your skin what it needs in order to replenish, rebuild, and wake up super freaking handsome. Coincidentally, those 4 products are what you get in the Tiege Hanley Level 1 skincare system. Tiege Hanley is a game changer for your handsomeness, for your confidence. It's ridiculous. The beautiful thing is that we take all of the guesswork out of looking incredible. In every kit, you're going to get this. It's an instruction card that tells you exactly what time of day to use what product in what order and then how much. We also have like a Tiege Hanley Handsome hotline, right? It has a number that's going to allow you to contact us with any questions concerning you and your face. If you don't want to talk to us, that's cool. You can always email us, guys. Our customer service game is super strong. Almost as strong as the offer that I'm giving you right now. Guys, link below. Go and check out Tiege Hanley. We've got level 1, we've got level 2, which comes with an anti-aging eye cream. Or if you want to give Mother Nature a death punch to the fat underneath her chin, gentlemen, you go with level 3. Right now, limited time, incredible offer, special for you. I can give you a better deal, a better discount than all the other influencers because I am not only an owner, I am also a client. Gentlemen, hit that link, check it out, read the reviews, and get handsomer. Let me just clarify that. Gentlemen, the fourth thing that handsome, good-looking dudes never do is have girly eyebrows. In my opinion, there's nothing that like up a dude's like handsomeness than when he makes his eyebrows super thin. Fact, if you've got a unibrow, it is 100% acceptable and okay to pluck. If you got big, bold, bushy, like crazy eyebrows, it is 100% okay to trim them and take a little bit of the bulk out of them. And if they're super like crazy thick and you just want to clean up some of the straggly hairs underneath to give it a little more shape, that is 100% okay. Just don't go crazy, don't go nuts. Good looking guys don't neglect their eyebrows, they just don't go freaking all crazy and make them look like their sisters, in my opinion. The other thing, in my opinion, is number 5. Good-looking guys do not neglect their style. Their style and its ability to make you better looking is ridiculous because by dressing in different manners, you can totally camouflage or hide some of your perceived negatives. Like if you got a little bit of belly or you got a little booty on you, you can minimize that. But on the flip side, by choosing clothing that is actually going to enhance your positive attributes, you can look even better by understanding and knowing how to dress, what color to wear. And that's probably the number one thing and tip I will give you to look better is wear clothes that fit. This includes your shirts, this includes your jackets, this includes your pantalones, this includes your undies. And last but certainly not least, the 6th thing that good-looking guys never do is they never neglect their teeth. You gotta make sure that your oral hygiene game is strong. And by strong, I mean, you gotta pay attention. Now, the truth is the majority of us were not born with perfect smiles, and that is okay. You do not need a perfect smile to be good looking. You just need to make sure that the teeth that you have and the smile that you're rocking is clean, it's white, and it's not all like crazy, nasty, funky, discolored. And if you're somebody who's embarrassed of their teeth or hides it or doesn't want to smile, guys, you gotta do something about it. If that means you gotta save up, get a second job, put off buying the Yeezys or whatever you're buying and save in order to go to a dentist or go to an oral surgeon or get veneers or braces or whatever it takes, worth it because you are worth it.